Sorry, guys. Accidentally closed the phone out, which means that if I close the phone, it's going to end the video. So this is part two. Now, this is part two. So, like I said, guys, I think it's done. Yeah, guys. Oh, hell no. That's time. It's time. It's time. That thing. Oh, it's fogging up my screen. Oh, heck no, bro. This thing got two cameras, so I don't know which one to wipe. Let's put this back over. This thing was bopping. We gotta put a little bit of seasoning on it. Some seasoning. What you talking about, Willie? Let's turn on the fan. Let's turn it over. Sorry. I didn't really taste it though. It's got a little bit. Gonna have to dunk that a little bit. I know my ways. I know how to quick. I know how to. That's good enough. Flip that over so yeah. Okay, that's good enough. I accidentally cooked some seasoning. Oh, hell. Hold on, too much. I took the seasoning. Let me take some of the seasoning off. I don't know why I tasted the seasoning. Yeah, let's crack another one though. We need to lay the camera down for this one. That's cooking. Hey guys, look. We're gonna be making this with some. Look, guys, we're gonna be making this with some applesauce. We're gonna be having applesauce with it. Well, having applesauce with that macaroni and cheese. You little. Stocks of sugar, and some tea. Okay. We're just doing 3 eggs. The egg is not finished cooking yet. I'm gonna go ahead and put the eggs away. I'm not gonna take away the seasoning. I am gonna cook the top. I'm waiting for that part to go. Yep, that part has finished there. accent cooker. I can't deny my cook skill. But yeah. Oh yeah, let me take that off. Let me take some of that seasoning that I dumped off in part 1. From that one egg. Got you, if y'all ain't watch part 1, go watch it right now. Yeah. 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 Okay, that's stop. If y'all can see, we almost pressed the M button. Almost done, really. Just double check and then we good. Almost done. Ain't kept this one good in here. Dang, bro. This tape won't come off. The freaking spatula. Oh. You know when you make that popping noise, you know it's ready. Oh yeah, that thing popping. Oh, come off of it, bro. Dang. I'm cut the burn it.